Are you wondering how to pair your Joy-Con controllers to your Nintendo Switch 2? So pairing them is actually very easy. So by default, once you actually connect them to the console, they will actually get instantly paired, so there is no additional tasks that really need to be done. So as soon as you basically pop them on like this, they are actually paired and ready to be used. So again, the process is automatic. So but what if it still not working, and basically if it's not pairing, something maybe glitched out or stuff like that, then there is actually a manual way how we can actually repair them essentially. So first what we can do is, as you see, basically you have this tiny button on the controller over here, and this is a repairing button essentially. So all we really do is simply press it inwards. So okay, so it's kind of a bit fiddly to essentially press it in. So you see after like a couple of seconds it'll start to blink like this, and then we can it essentially enters this pairing mode, and we can pair it essentially, then try to attach it again and see if that does anything really. Then also what we can do essentially, we can also go in the settings over here, okay, and go okay, controllers and accessories over here, change grip order, and this is where I can also like pair other controllers. So again, we can basically on the controller this, we can also either like press these two buttons over here. So you see, okay, let me stand it up a bit. So essentially see what happens if I press these. So as you see, the controller gets paired. Or also again, we can use this pairing button to do the same thing here. So okay, if I press and hold it, so you see it enters the pairing mode, and you see it basically got basically found, and again, so we can essentially use it like that as well. So again, that is also what we can do. And finally, if it's still not working, again, maybe they have simply been sitting somewhere, and also they have run out of juice. So again, they actually have internal batteries that you it obviously needs to be recharged. So again, simply let them maybe sit on the console and recharge. And also what else we can do, so I also suggest to do a force restart on your console if still they are actually not connecting basically. So the way we do it, we simply press and hold this power button essentially for maybe like 7 or 8 seconds. So essentially, so literally press and hold, and let's see how long it takes, and ignore whatever it says. We're going to do this like force restart essentially, and basically, so once it goes off, we can release, so it should boot up. Okay, maybe we need to actually press the button. So yep, we actually had to press the button to boot it up. Essentially, once you do this process, also it will try to like fix any issues and essentially heal itself. So that also might trick it to essentially like reset itself essentially. And then you can again, maybe again use a pairing button, or yeah, basically, so you can see. Try that. Apart from that, I think that's really all you can do. Anyway, good luck.